Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Blackview A200 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now you can hit OK in Don't Miss New Updates from Send Anywhere pop-up, or tap on Not Now and then click OK. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Blackview. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Blackview, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and select Receive. If you prefer to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!